Oh my god. Your hair's not straight.
My hair's not straight. I shouldn't be in this video.
I
shouldn't be in public. I should not be seen. I don't look like a scene kid right now.
Oh my god.
I'm not ready for my face pictures. I always have to be ready for my face.
Can I talk to you?
I don't understand.
You have this eyeliner, really.
I don't have any eyeliner. Look at this, people. No eyeliner. This hair.
Get out of my face. You are a hideous
Excuse me, speak your camera face because I am not prepared.
And I have straight hair.
You are prepared. You might not be prepared enough though. Look, your hair's not perfect. It's not pin
straight. Oh my gosh, don't even tell me that because I worked so hard on this all day.
Yeah, well, you need to redo it.
Shut up,
been a while. No, you're right. I guess you are better than me. We're friends. Like, I can't be friends
with you anymore because you're not popular.
It's true. I only have like 300 something.
And I was like, oh.
I guess we can't talk. Maybe it's because my hair is not straight right now.
Go fucking straighten it.
Yeah, I should straighten it so the people who are my friends.
People love you.
And then I can be cocky again. Like, because when I have my straight hair, I can be a cocky bitch.
Oh my god.
Like, I am.
You know it. Oh my gosh, I'm not wearing skinny jeans. I cannot.
I'm not even in any scene clothes. I'm in man clothes. I'm in man. Like, look at these man boxers and man shirts.
You are not allowed in my face. Didn't I say you're not allowed in my face?
You know what I need to do? I need to hide myself. I need to hide.
Oh, you look so much better. Get behind that now.
I look better back here, right?
I can't do it though. I can't even look at you. You can't look at me.
But if it's too hot,
I can't get more straight. If you're not a glamorous bitch, I cannot. These eyes are burning. They're burning in hell. We can't look at you.
But I love you.
I love you too, but I can't look at you. Like, sorry.
Ew.
I can't do it.
It's true, you cannot.
I can't. Because you're not a glamorous bitch. Where did my purple hoodie go? Did you steal it, bitch? Did you want to be seen? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I have my own. Like, because I'm the same kid too normally. I don't straight hair right now. So I have it. Because I have seen it.
You think you're Monroe?
No. I have this first bitch. You copied me.
Bitch,
you copied me so hard.
You copied my hair.
You did my hair. You did it. You did it. It was all on you.
Shut up. I hate you.
You go cry. You go cry over my.
You go cry. I'm sorry.
You go shut your eyes. You're my first.
I have to pee.
Don't pee.
No.
Fucking pee.
You can don't pee. Don't even look at me.
I look John. I'll look at John my face.
What?
Then it looks like you.
What?
You heard me. I'm just gonna check my phone.
Computer.
I didn't. No one texted. I can't believe no one texted.
Oh my gosh! Did anybody text me? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Fucking loser.
No. Oh my! It's bad that he didn't text me or not text me.
Yeah.
I am me.
I just need to check my message.
You need to. I need to check my message.
Yeah.